When should you call professionals to clean your carpet? To retain the cleanliness of your carpet, you will need to hire carpet cleaners in Melbourne, and you can hire them from Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne. But if you are wondering when to hire them, you should look at a few signs. These include visible stains, symptoms of allergy, odors, worn out appearance, faded colors. When you notice any of these signs, call our professionals carrying out carpet cleaning services in Melbourne to make your carpet clean again. We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.